bad has happened, getting joy from this destruction. Feel the flames deep in my chest, adrenaline starts to rush and I'm feeling like there's no death. So cold, feel no pain for thee, I'm living in reality. You only got yourself in life, so watch your back and never sleep. What I was taught since early teens, as I slowly fry my brain, getting high to feel alive until I've gone insane. Watch my peers begin to fade, watch as my family is decayed. Take a look inside myself and realize life is just a game. Choose your side, is it anarchy or peace? Do you wanna live this lie or do you wanna see beneath?
You know it's hard to get